Dorico versus Sibelius is a debate that has been ongoing in the music notation software world, with both programs offering a range of features and tools to help musicians and composers create and edit musical scores. In this guide, we will explore the key differences between Dorico and Sibelius and help you decide which one is best for you in 2025. First, let's look at the interface and workflow of both programs. Sibelius has a more traditional interface, with a focus on notation and editing tools. Dorico, on the other hand, has a more modern and streamlined interface, with a focus on workflow and efficiency. Dorico also offers a range of customization options, allowing you to tailor the interface to your specific needs. When it comes to notation, both programs offer a high level of accuracy and detail. However, Dorico has a more advanced notation engine, which allows for more complex and nuanced notation. Dorico also offers a range of advanced features, such as automatic layout and formatting, which can save you time and effort. In terms of collaboration and sharing, both programs offer a range of options. Sibelius allows you to export scores in a range of formats, including PDF and Music XML. Dorico also offers these options, as well as the ability to collaborate with other users in real time. One of the key differences between Dorico and Sibelius is the cost. Sibelius offers a range of pricing options, including a monthly subscription and a one-time purchase. Dorico also offers a range of pricing options, including a monthly subscription and a one-time purchase, but it is generally more expensive than Sibelius. Ultimately, the choice between Dorico and Sibelius will depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you are looking for a more traditional notation program with a focus on editing and notation, Sibelius may be the best choice. However, if you are looking for a more modern and streamlined program with advanced features and workflow options, Dorico may be the better option. In conclusion, both Dorico and Sibelius are powerful music notation programs that offer a range of features and tools. By considering your specific needs and preferences, you can make an informed decision about which program is best for you in 2025. Whether you are a professional composer or a student, both Dorico and Sibelius can help you create and edit musical scores with ease and precision.